What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming back at you with another video, man. I hope everybody's doing well, having an awesome day. I know I am. I'm alive and I'm healthy, I'm strong. But hey, man, I want to ask you guys, who is still using this part? Right? Right here on your bike. Sometimes you get to the gas pump and you just constantly tapping that and it gets hard to open at times. So, and man, I got a part that I've been having on the bike for a minute, and I didn't know if I wanted to switch off because I like the Rick Rack magnet that sticks to your tank. I really like that part right there. But man, I decided to switch it up. I've been having this part in my garage for 3 months. The center console from HOGWORKZ. I want to thank HOGWORKZ, my dude Big Rob, for sending that over to me, man. It looks really good. It's a sleek looking, I mean, just make the bike look real sleek right here. I love it. And only thing you got to do, take the little bracket off here and loosen the wires here. You're going to get rid of a vent tube for that. You're going to get rid of that little hose right there. You're not going to use that hose anymore. And you're gonna just use your some screws that comes in the box that goes right here. And I use the regular screw, the stock screw right here, because it was a little bit longer to catch and everything. So I use that. But I like that denim look right there. And y'all, and it's just so simple to open. Man, I'm having itch. There we go. Your hands just be slipping on a little bit, but you just twist it, y'all. Just twist it off. Look at that, and put it back on. It's just simple as that. And there we go, man. Look at that, real simple, look really good. I love the look of it. Look at that, make the bikes look real sleek, man. Oh my God, it's slick looking, boy. Man, Khrome is coming along. I know y'all like Kelly B. It's always doing something to the bike, but I'm doing stuff to make it easier for me and to make the bike look good. But y'all, that's gonna be it. I told you it's gonna be a nice short video right here, man. Y'all stay tuned to trips. Make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button for your boy. The channel is growing because of you, man. I appreciate all the new subscribers, and I appreciate the subscribers who've been rocking with me from day one, man. Thank you, man. Thank you. Hey, man, that's gonna be it in the end of the video. Until next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out. I'm Kelly B. Peace.